16T divided by
Outer
D2.
diameter of flange is D2. Diameter of whole circle is D1. Diameter of whole circle is D1. Capital D is outer diameter of flange. This diameter of flange is as now. You have one more excellent question here. Diameter of flange is can say this is a D3. Right? What is the thickness of flange? Today we will have some extended question on flange. This is basically a almost I mentioned all the parameters in practice, right? Basically, all material properties are available in your question, right? For example, have three different materials in the plant material. One is a shaft material, always mild steel. Other one is flange, integrated with half of the cast iron. One more material is steel. Material of what is steel, right? These are the three important materials involved in the plant material, right? Here, today's session we are going to see about the design aspect of protective type flange cover. Protective type flange cover. What is the given data? What is the P value? What is the important data to design any shaft? What is the power transferring capacity? 50. What is the speed of
Capital and
N small and capital N. Always speed in terms of RPM. What's the value? 200. Next data. What is the power? Speed. What is the maximum torque? T max. How many times of T V?
40.
Maximum torque should be 1.15 times of next data. Shaft material. Shaft
Cast iron.
Small got double got. Then we have flange material. Small got double got. Then we have bolt got as material properties given in the column. Please. Bolt material properties. For example, what is the shaft? Pressing stress of shaft.
2 into allowable shear stress.
எல்லாமே ப்ரொபோர்ஷனல் கொடுத்துட்டாங்களா? ப்ரொபோர்ஷனல் கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா கால்குலேட் சரியா? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் allowable shear stress for bolt is 30 Newton per millimeter square. Here bolt material is 30 Newton per millimeter square. Next shear stress for cast iron is